Bitcoin is creating a new falling wedge pattern alongside with this 12-hour symmetrical triangle and also this daily bull flag that we have been creating. So volatility is absolutely imminent. As well, if we have a look in towards the Bollinger Band width, well, we are currently sitting at historic lows, and all of the previous times this has indicated a huge Bitcoin move that is about to come. So you definitely do not want to miss out on this update video. Make sure to hit that like button, and let's start right away with the short-term analysis and then move in towards the longer-term charts. So right away in a very short term, what we can be seeing is actually not at all very good price movement, because we are actually seeing on the 1 hourly time frame, we are seeing a downtrend being developed, which is a typical bearish market structure. Okay, and alongside with this fact, we are also currently creating some kind of a rising wedge, which is also a typical bearish biased Bitcoin pattern. And on top of that, we are also hitting very important Bitcoin resistance of this 1 hourly very important resistance level, where currently we are already having 3 touch points from, and we are creating the 4th touch point currently. And in my opinion, it will be way less likely to actually break out towards the upside of this one, because of course we are currently trading in a weekend. Of course, the CME futures chart is currently closed, and if we were to be for some reason to be breaking out towards the upside, well, eventually over the course of next week, we are going to be most likely going to be filling our CME gap. So in the end of the day, this will not be presenting with any good trading opportunities. Okay, also because if we were to be breaking out this one towards the upside, we are going to be hitting this very important resistance level for the 4 hourly Bitcoin time frame. Okay, so in the end of the day, if we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, well, that would be very bullish, of course, for Bitcoin. But I just do not see that happening right there in the course of the weekend. I think this is going to be happening next week and not in the weekend. Okay, and it will be very likely that Bitcoin will be creating a massive move, because of course, as we already discussed in this intro of this video, we are currently creating a new symmetrical triangle, where this symmetrical triangle is going to be leading for me. If we are either going to be breaking out towards the downside, I am willing to be shorting the market. But if we are going to be breaking out towards the upside, I am willing to be longing the market, because of course, if we are going to be breaking out towards the upside, we are also going to be breaking out this one towards the upside, this falling wedge pattern, and at the same time we are also going to be breaking out this bull flag scenario towards the upside as well. So 3 patterns that are breaking out towards the upside at the same exact time, with the lowest price target being at about the 30.5k level of this falling wedge pattern, and then this symmetrical triangle breakout target being all the way up towards the 31.5k level, but then this bull flag scenario being all the way up towards the 41k level for Bitcoin, which is absolutely huge if we can be doing that. And of course, this is in the end of the day very possible, because we are still seeing very narrow Bollinger Bands, just like we have seen over here. And right after we broke our Bollinger Bands towards the upside, we saw a huge move happening towards the upside, which right now currently the same exact thing is also happening. And guys, if you have been following me for a longer time, you of course know exactly why I'm rather bullish than bearish actually at these current price targets. And I do want to be saying, yes, of course, we can be breaking this one down towards the downside. And in that scenario, well, I would be looking at price targets back towards the 25k level, which will be the most important level of support for Bitcoin. But guys, of course, it is way more likely to actually break this one out towards the upside, in my opinion. Because having a look in towards this chart, well, we can be seeing previously around, we got rejected perfectly from of our 100 daily moving average. And right there, we got supported perfectly. Right now, currently, we are kind of bouncing, we are kind of consolidating at the current level, but I do expect, as long as we are going to be holding this moving average, that in the end of the day we will be getting some kind of a bounce, and we are still looking bullish. As well as, of course, on the daily time frame, we are still in a massive uptrend, and I am rather buying the dip than actually trying to short the dip. Okay, that is my strategy. So yeah, in the end of the day, well, the trend is your friend, and we are currently still in a daily uptrend, so I am rather looking for long positions. As well as, of course, the EMA ribbons are currently perfectly being retested, okay, and this will be providing a lot of support for Bitcoin, and that is also the reason why in the longer term trend it is still looking so good for Bitcoin, as well as, of course, the monthly MACD is about to cross bullish. And of course, for the longer term trend, well, the on-chain indicators are still looking very, very good. We are still in this bear market recovery stage, and we still have a long way to go for this bear market recovery. I believe we can still go up a lot more right here. So it is all coming together. And whenever we are going to be breaking out, I think it is going to be happening next week and not in this weekend. You will be the first one to know on this YouTube channel and also on my Twitter page. So be sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. And guys, bye bye.